Greetings and welcome to the Dog Diary.
We've made small adjustments to our country database. Now you will be able to select desired ICAO type when configuring required overflight and landing permits. We are still rewriting the oldest parts of Lyon to match our highest standards. In this sprint, we can present you the refurbished edit document window in the fleet documents. In our SCHED module, we've added the possibility to enter slot times, which will be later transferred to the Ops module. And at the end, let me show you a few new features in the Crew app. The first thing is the possibility to check your duty account's balance. Furthermore, every crew member can now edit their own duties times.